Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, for giving me an opportunity to raise this important issue regarding concern over delay in implementation of Delhi land pooling policy and finalization of Master Plan Delhi 2041 through special mention. Honorable Vice Chairman, sir, I wish to draw the attention of this August House to the prolonged delay in implementing the Delhi land pooling policy LPP and finalizing the Master Plan for Delhi 2041 MPD 2041, both of which are critical to planned urban development in the national capital. The land pooling policy was first notified in 2013 as a transformative reform intended to enable participatory planned urban expansion through voluntary land pooling by landowners. However, subsequent modifications introduced in 2018, including the reduction of the floor area ratio from 400 to 200 and the mandatory consortium formation requirement, have created practical difficulties for small and individual landowners. As a result, even after more than a decade since the original notification, the policy remains largely unimplemented. This prolonged uncertainty has caused severe hardship to farmers, villagers and middle-class investors who had placed their faith in the promise of affordable housing and planned development. Many landowners invested their life savings through cooperative and welfare societies, expecting that the policy would unlock development opportunities. Instead, their lands remain locked, infrastructure development has stalled, and frustration has led to an increase in litigation. The situation is further aggravated by the delay in finalizing the Master Plan Delhi 2041, which is essential for enabling sector planning and infrastructure rollout. In the absence of this overarching planning framework, implementation of the land pooling policy has effectively come to a standstill. I therefore urge the government to consider mission mode implementation of the land pooling policy with a clear and time-bound roadmap, rationalize procedural bottlenecks affecting small landowners, establish an appropriate institutional mechanism for coordinated execution, and expedite the final notification of the Master Plan Delhi 2041 so that planned development, investor confidence and the aspirations of lakhs of landowners can be restored. Thank you.
Thank you.